What's up everybody? In this video I'm going to show you top AI projects for 2024. They have a huge potential, 10x, 50x, 100x, some of them maybe even 200x. Since AI, it's a huge meta right now, a lot of people talking about, and it's picking up a lot of hype, kind of like gaming meta. So in my opinion, I think following projects gonna do very well. But before I show you the projects, I just have to state something. I'm not a financial advisor. This is not a financial advice. This video is for educational and entertainment purpose only. Always do your own research before investing into anything. So the first project, it's called Opentensor Foundaτion, and Opentensor Foundaτion is an open source protocol for decentralized machine learning network. This allows users to access and utilize network information freely and securely. Participants earn rewards based on their contribution. And at the time of recording this video, they have 56,000 followers, they have a website, and they're also getting really good engagement on their Twitter. And let's open up the CoinGecko really quick to look at their tokens. And at the time of recording this video, each token costs $248. And as you can see right here, circulation supply is almost 6 million and max supply is 21 million. So supply is very low. With that being said, each token in the future can worth a lot of money. And then if we scroll down, as you can see, all times high was almost $400 and all times low $30. And from the all times low, it's only up 700%. And as you know, with AI meta, this project can run very well. And then second project, it's called Render Network. Render Network is a platform that bridges the gap between those needing GPU computing power and providing with excess capacity. It stands as the first network convert GPU power into decentralized ecosystem of connected 3D assets. They already have a link tree right here. You can find everything about this project and every social media that they have. And you can go to their homepage, and at the time of recording they have 133,000 followers, so pretty huge community. And let's take a look at their render tokens. So each token costs $4.45 at the time of recording this video. Circulation supply is 374 million. And then if we scroll down over here, you can see all times low, this project was 3 cents, and all times high $8. I still think this project has a lot of room to grow, and this project from all times low right now is 12,000%. But with that being said, with all the narratives and all the hype about AI, I think this project still has a lot of room to grow. Then project number 3 is called FetchAI. And FetchAI is creating the centralized network where AI-powered agents learn and interact. They aim to simply access AI machine learning for everyone, plus using blockchain for users to create and train agents for diverse tasks. They have a huge community, a lot of followers on their Twitter, 155,000. They have also Linktree, website, and all the social media and everything that you need to learn about this project. And then look at their token. So each token 65 cents. Circulation supply is 1 billion. So it's quite a few tokens. But if we scroll down, as you can see, all times low, less than a penny, and all times high, $1.17. And from all times low, this project is up almost 8,000%, and we're not even in a bull run yet. We're getting there close, and this project has a lot of potential. And then if we take a look at the markets, as you can see, you can buy this token almost everywhere: Binance, Coinbase, BitGet, KuCoin, and many other exchanges. And then let's take a look at project number 4. It's called Akash Network. And Akash Network is transforming cloud computing into decentralized supercloud. It connects people needing computing power with those who have extra capacity. It allows for more effective and cost-effective cloud services. They also have a website, a lot of followers on their Twitter, and pretty good engagement on their Twitter as well. But let's take a look at the tokens. That's what we're here for. And each token is $2.55. And circulation supply is 224 million tokens. And then if we scroll down, all times low was 0.16 and all times high $8. So this project in a bull run easily can do 10x or maybe even more. And then project number 5 is SingularityNET. SingularityNET is a platform that offers enabling the creation and monetization of AI services. Users can explore, buy a wide range of AI services using their tokens. They also provide AI devs with a space to publish and sell their AIs. Pretty good community, link tree, website, Telegram, everything that you need for this project to do your own research. And let's take a look at the tokens. So tokens, each token 29 cents at the time of recording this video. Circulation supply 1.2 billions, and from all times low it's up a little over 3,500%, and all times high was 95 cents and all times low less than a penny. Still, this project has a lot of room to grow. And then let's take a look at project number 6. So the project number 6 is Ocean Protocol, and Ocean Protocol combines blockchain, decentralized networks, and cryptography to enable secure and private data sharing. It's designed to give data owners control while supporting the commercialization of data, including through marketplaces. And they also have a huge community, a lot of followers on Twitter, they have a website, and a lot more. And you can also go into their website and read a little bit more about this project. And then if we look at their token, 47 cents per token and a little over 500 million circulation supply. And then all times low was 1 cent and all times high was almost $2. So this project has a lot of room to grow and a lot of potential for upcoming bull run. And then the last project on my list, it's gonna be AIOZ Network. And AIOZ Network is revolutionizing video streaming with its distributed content delivery network by turning user devices into nodes, facilitates more efficient video streaming directly from one device to another across the globe. So they also have a lot of followers on their Twitter, website, and much more. And let's take a look at their tokens. Each token 15 cents, circulation supply little over a billion, and then as you can see, all times low was 1 penny and all times high was $2.65. So from here can do easy 10, 20x, maybe even more with upcoming bull run. And this is pretty much it. I'm gonna end this video with this projects. I also gonna create another video where I'm gonna show you another top AI crypto projects. Good luck to everybody and thanks for watching.